No, it's funny how many people are, when you bring up something like even a mini split was like just, oh yeah, you see those in Europe, but it was like it's just basic technology. I mean, mini splits are old school. They're not anything new, but here it's like this new thing for some people where the concept of having a split system or VRV life where we like most people have never seen a cassette, whereas same thing if you go to, Central America, Mexico, anywhere else in the world, you'll see cassettes, you'll see, the ductless head units all over the walls. And so I'm excited to sell the technology. I think Daikin, is definitely because they're one of the biggest names in it. They obviously, honed their craft. And so it's not like I'm dealing with, I'm not their R&D department, which I don't like with some companies when you go in the field and you're figuring out their recalls for them. But I don't feel like I have that problem with Daikin, which is nice.